Hey guys, today I have these fun slime bottles. This is Minnie Mouse and she has this really cute pink bow. And she's on this super fun green slime. Oh boy. What is in the green slime? Susie Sheep. This is Nemo, and he's an orange clownfish. Here's some orange slime. It's Rocky from Paw Patrol.
Yeah!
This is Sky. She wears pink flying goggles. Here's some pink slime. It's Catboy from PJ Masks. This is Chase. He wears a blue policeman's cap. Here's some blue slime. It's Everest from Paw Patrol.
Yeah! Ruff!
Here's Marshall. He wears a red fireman's cap. This is Red Slime. It's a Mickey Tsum Tsum. Here's Elsa. She has a braid in her hair. And this is Yellow Slime. That's a Golden Duke from Secret Life of Pets.
Night Ninja! What are you doing, you sticky-fingered lizard? My plan is brilliant! Sticky Splat!
Hey guys, today we have a new paddle and villain, the Night Ninja, along with our other PJ Masks heroes and villains. Even Chase is along too. Let's see if we can take a closer look at our Night Ninja. We've got our Romeo here, and there's our Night Ninja. Look at those colors, the way they stand out so brightly. Oh my goodness, here he is from above. I love the way those white dots show up and his paddling fins. Can't wait to get him in the water. Here we go. All right, I'm paddling away. I'm in search of those PJ Masks heroes. I'm gonna get them today for good. Haha, where are they? I'll find them. I'll never stop searching. Where are you, Gecko? I'll find you and I'll stick you. I will search high and low, down to the bottom of this and up back to the top. You'll never stop me. Ha 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 ha. Where are you? Are you hiding from me, you Gecko and Catboy? Oh, what just happened? Oh, okay, I got back on track. Here I go. I'm looking, on the top of the water and under the water. I've got to be searching everywhere for them. PJ Masks heroes will never stop me. And now I've got Romeo by my side.
Night Ninja! What are you doing, you sticky-fingered lizard? My plan is brilliant! Sticky Splat!
Great job, Gecko. You got Night Ninja out of here. Let's find that Romeo. Where could he be? Never stop looking. Oh, I'm so super fast in this water. Get out of here, Romeo. Don't come back. Get out. Get out of here, Romeo. Aha. Oh, you got me. Great job, PJ Masks heroes. You saved the day. Time to celebrate. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Oh, yeah, we did it. Great job. enjoyed our Paddlin' Ninja adventure today. If you'd like to see more Paddlin' heroes and villains, be sure to like and subscribe. And until next time, bye! Thanks for watching this episode of the Sparkle Spice channel. Give the video a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe if you're new. Also, make sure to come back for more fun videos. Thanks for commenting, and I'll see you in the next one. Out of my way, PJ Masks. I want to try. Yeah, so delicious. Ooh, I want to try. Ooh, yummy. And messy, too. Well, guys, looks like our PJ Masks. Thanks for watching. Touch this circle with Catboy in it, and touch subscribe to subscribe. If you'd like to watch this video, touch here. Or you can touch over here to watch this video, and touch up here for this video.